What does linear mean? Come on, y'all. Line.
Yeah.
See, line. Linear, line. What's an inequality?
It's not equal.
Not equal. Okay, how do you know it's an equation?
Does it have an equal sign?
Has an equal sign. An inequality is going to have a what?
A line through it.
Some little symbols, the little arrows that go to the left and to the right, and you got some of his lines.
Okay, so what are some inequality symbols?
Greater than.
Greater than.
Less than, equal to.
Okay. All right, so let's look at them. Now okay, so these are inequality symbols. Okay? Which symbol is this?
Greater than.
This is greater than. Now this took me a while to figure this one out. Less than is pointing to the left. But now I don't know left from right. Yeah, that's on camera. I don't know left from right. But if I do the L, that gives me an L, so going to the left. Less than points to the left. What is this symbol?
Greater than or equal to?
Wait a minute, say it again, I want to hear you.
Greater than or equal to?
Or. Greater than or equal to. Because you ain't going to be both. Yeah, see, I can say ain't, but you can't. Okay, so I just want you to know I will be correcting your grammar because I'm an English teacher on the side. Rather teach, All right, so this is greater than or equal to. So it's not going to be both, okay? It's going to either be one or the other. And then the final one is?
Less than or equal to.
Less than or equal to.
Less than or equal to, okay? So those are the four symbols we have. So when we have a mathematical statement and we see these four symbols, we are then talking about inequalities, okay? Now, previously you said linear meant line. So now we're going to talk about linear inequalities. But before we do that, we need to really talk about linear equations. Does anybody remember the formula for the linear equation? Y'all just got A's. Come on now.
Is it the y equals mx plus?
No, that's just.
Okay, shush. Well, go ahead. Come on.
I don't know.
See, now you cut him off.
I'm thinking of the y equals mx plus b.
And okay, y equals mx plus b is the equation of a.
Slope. Yeah, slope. No,
Okay,
that's
now
not slope.
that's an
That's an
equation of a
equation.
line.
A line.
And what form is that called? These A's ain't dry. I'm getting ready to change them.
That's is that slope intercept form?
Slope intercept form. Okay, what's another form of the linear equation? Okay, now y'all just had this in December. It's January. It ain't been that long. Come on now. Okay, any other? Okay, that was y equals mx plus b. But you had another formula for a linear equation.
Oh.
Oh, what is it? Come on.
You got it like it's like,
Come on.
well, one of them is ax plus by equals c.
ax plus by equals c. What form is that called? I also am real into vocabulary, as y'all might be able to tell. Come on now.
We're not gonna go from that one.
Okay, you have another, so you're looking at your own notes, which is a good thing. So you have ax plus by equals c. What's the other formula you may have? What formula is that called? You remember?
All I got on it says the equation of lines on the plane.
Okay, it's important to take good notes,
I
okay?
don't know what that
Okay, that's called the standard form. Y'all had another form of the linear equation. Did y'all do,
Was
Po-
it
point-
y1 minus y2 over?
That's slope.
No. Yeah.
that's the definition of slope, but we had one called the slope intercept form where, no, that's not slope intercept, no, you have me, yeah, slope intercept. Y minus y1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x1. That was called the slope intercept form.
I thought that was a point slope.
Did I say, what did I say?
Slope.
You said slope
Falling or
intercept.
something like that.
It's point slope, that's right. What did I say though?
You said slope intercept.
Slope intercept is the one you gave me the
Yeah.
first time, I'm sorry. All right, I'm old and pre-Alzheimer's. Okay, so we have our inequalities. Now, before we jump into, we're building, I'm gonna build this up a little bit. First thing is the solution. What's a solution? Well, a solution is any replacement that makes the inequality true, okay? So we're gonna start off with the solution, and we did this with equations. A solution to an equation was then a point on the line. Remember that? A solution was a point on the line. So now we're talking about inequalities. So a solution is something that makes the inequality true. So for instance, I don't know where. And the set of all solutions is called a solution set. And when we have found the set of all solutions, then we say we have solved the inequality. Now, this will make more sense. Sometimes when I give you definitions, they won't make sense at first, and you're just copying it down. But then we will work our way into this platform, okay? So give yourself a moment and copy that down. Or if you're real text-y, swabby, although you can snap a picture of it, but then you need to go back and write it down.